Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. So in this video we're going to look at Treasury daily code 30th March. The code is live, so we are going to do it right away. You click on the quest session, but there's condition you need to meet to be able to claim today's code. The code is live. The team has not yet updated the app, but you can claim your reward right away. But the condition here before you'll be able to claim today's reward is that you need to invite minimum of 2 people before you'll be able to claim today's reward. So that is the condition. But right now, let's just click on the code. Let's just click on enter code. Let's just click on start so that we can enter the code. Click on start. Now the code is 010. Let's type it. 0101. That is the code. So you have to click on check your code is correct, then you click on continue. So we have gotten the code. The daily code is Tom and the reward is 100 treasury points, and you can see right here the countdown. That's 21 hours 3 seconds. So this is the countdown for this treasury, so make sure that you do that. But we have not met the criteria for today's secret code, so you need to invite minimum of 2 persons. And remember, today is the giveaway they have been talking about. Giveaway March 30th. Don't miss out. So we are still going to wait for their latest updates on how we are going to claim this giveaway. And from my own perspective, I think that we are going to claim this giveaway using our treasury points. It will be better if you use our treasury point to claim all this than spending our tons and stars on this airdrop, and the end of everything you will not even recover your expenses. So let's just be hopeful. Today they are still going to give us an update on how we are going to claim this the giveaway they are talking about March 30th. So stay tuned, do not miss today's giveaway. Now that is it for this video. Go right away, and if you have not started mining treasury, the link will be in the video description. Mind you, treasury airdrop is found by the dogs team, so don't joke with this airdrop. If you benefited from dogs airdrop, do well to take this particular one serious. Take your treasury airdrop very serious. It's going to cook. Link in the video description. Thank you guys. I'll see you guys in my next video.